Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I ate the baguette. So I bought this baguette from the local market, which only costs $5, which is really cheap. So to make it, so first I slice 3 pieces, because I only use 2 pieces, because the top pieces is very hot. And then I crack an egg, and put some salt and pepper, and then just use a chopstick to stir it well, and then put some milk, and then stir it well again, and then I pour this mixture onto the bread to make sure it fully soaked in the liquid, and then I use the chopstick to turn it over to make sure the liquid is soaked in both sides, and then just wait. And then I heated a pan and then melted the butter, and then I put the bread which soaked in the mixture. And then I added some cheese on the top. I used mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you want. And then once you feel the downside turns crispy, and then you can flip them over the side of cheese. Just waited for them bubbling. I'm adding more cheese on the other side. Just watching the cheese bubbling, which is like really appealing to me. And then once the other side turns brown and crispy, you flip over again. And just wait. And it's done. I take it out of the pan and put it on my favorite doggy plate, which is really cute. And then I put on some green leaves to add in green color. And next I added some avocado slices, which is one of my favorite. I love avocado. And last but not least, I add in some prosciutto to add in some pink or like red color, and also it added some the salty flavor. And then you just enjoy. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more video in the future. And let me know how you guys like to eat baguette in the comment below. See you guys next time. Bye.